Okay, class, now that we just learned about hair samples, who can tell me which hair sample this is? Is this a human sample or an animal sample? Emily.
That is a human sample.
Right. And remember that it's a human sample because the middle is dark and then there's a clear fuzzy outline. Which one is our animal sample then? Emily.
It's the other one.
Great job. And this
I
one-
think you're wrong.
Well, you don't know anything.
Emily is actually right. This is our hair sample of an animal because it has the dark side. Remember, Emily, we have the dark side and then the clearest part in the middle.
Told ya.
Jeez.
Okay, now that we've learned about our hair samples and what hair samples look like, we're going to look at our own hair samples. So we have our suspect list. If you remember, all this week we've been looking at our crime scene, and we have 3 suspects left. Whoops, sorry, this one, and this one, and this one. So we have Sally, Jeannie, and Annie left. So now today we're going to try to eliminate another suspect. And so, at our crime scene, as you saw in the video this morning, we found a hair sample. Our hair sample looks like this. This was found at the crime scene in the hat that was dropped. Okay, so now we're going to look at our microscopes. These are our microscopes. There's an on and off button right here. So you're going to slide it to the A. There's an A and a B. And then we're going to place our hair sample right here underneath the microscope. And then we can see through our microscope when we look at our laptops. So open up your laptops.
Wow.
Oh, Emily, what do you see on yours?
I see a brown piece of
It's a
hair.
brown hair. Which kind of hair sample is that?
It's brown.
Is that a human sample or an animal sample?
It's a human sample.
Very good.
Mine's red.
Yours is red.
But I think, I don't know. Maybe that could be an animal hair. Maybe not, because it has the outside part. Mine's red. It's human.
Okay, so now, do either of your samples look like, these are samples found from our suspects. Remember, we took 1 sample from each suspect. Do either of your hairs look like this one that was found at the crime scene?
Ooh.
Emily, you think yours does?
Yeah, mine totally matches. Look at that.
Mine's red.
They do look similar. Now, they don't look exactly the same, right? They're a little bit different but the colors are the same, right? Because sometimes we have 2 different hairs that maybe they aren't sitting in the microscope the same way when this picture was taken to what your microscope picture looks like right now. Right? Okay. So now let's eliminate our suspects.
Mine's not right.
Do we have any red? This isn't a red hair sample, is it?
No.
No.
So this sample doesn't match our one found at the crime scene, right?
Sally.
So we're gonna eliminate this suspect.
Oh, man.
Now Jeannie had brown hair. Does Jeannie's hair sample match? Emily, you had Jeannie's hair sample. Does it match?
Yeah,
The
it
one found at the
matches.
crime scene. So it might be Jeannie, right? Now we're gonna look at Annie. Annie had Joe over there had Annie's sample. Did your sample match?
No.
No? Are you sure?
It could have.
It might have. The hair kind of looks like it might be blonde.
I guess it does.
So we're going to keep Annie in. So now we have 2 suspects left. And tomorrow we'll be looking at the height of our suspects to find out who might have done it.